Understanding trade-offs, a guide to making informed decisions. Hello everyone, welcome back to our English language learning series. Today, we have a very interesting topic to discuss: the concept of a trade-off. This phrase is widely used in various contexts, and understanding its meaning and usage can significantly enhance your English language skills. So, let's dive in and explore what trade-off really means. A trade-off is a situation where you must choose between two things, and choosing one means giving up the other. In simpler terms, it's like a balance scale, where you have to weigh your options and make a decision based on what you value more. For example, if you have a job that pays really well but requires you to work long hours, the trade-off might be having less free time. On the other hand, a job that allows plenty of free time might not pay as well. Here, you're trading money for time, or vice versa. Understanding trade-off is easier when you see it applied in real-life situations. Here are some examples. Example 1. Buying a car. If you buy a cheaper car, you might save money, but the trade-off could be that the car has fewer features or isn't as reliable. On the other hand, a more expensive car might have more features and be more reliable, but the trade-off is that it costs more. Example 2. Studying for an exam. If you decide to spend more time studying for an exam, the trade-off might be that you have less time to spend with friends or on other activities. Conversely, if you choose to spend more time on leisure, the trade-off is that you might not perform as well on the exam. Now that we've seen some examples, let's look at how to use trade-off in a sentence. Making a trade-off between quality and quantity can be challenging, but it's necessary for balancing resources. Sometimes, there is a trade-off between speed and accuracy when completing a task. Understanding the concept of trade-off is essential as it frequently appears in both everyday conversations and professional settings. It helps you to make informed decisions by carefully considering the pros and cons of different options. We hope this video has been helpful in explaining the meaning and use of trade-off. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more useful language learning videos. See you next time.